briefly.
Yeah.
So just to...
yeah.
Sige.
I understand, attorney, you serve as
External counsel po of the
external
company.
counsel.
Yes.
Nasa na po yung mga may-ari ng kumpanya? Ba't hindi po sila nakadalo ngayon?
Currently po, Mr. GV David is in Isabela as he is currently checking their operations in the location po.
Behind G4, who are the individuals behind the company?
We can submit po a list of the corporate officers.
Yes, and they are?
As of now po, the president is Mr. GV David.
Again?
The president po is Mr. GV David.
And can you enumerate the rest of the officers of the company?
As to the rest of the officers po, I do not have the complete list at the moment, but we would be able to submit it along with the other requirements po in the next hearing.
Man.
Yes, go ahead. Let me just go through this.
Chairman,
Sige, yes. The Honorable
follow-up lang po,
Joseph
no?
Stephen Paduano.
yeah, thank you. Attorney, so you're presenting G4
Yes
as
po.
the external
Counsel po, yes.
Do you have the authority from your principal?
Yes, we
You
have.
have submitted?
Yes po, we have submitted the secretary's certificate authorized.
No.
Po. Yes.
You submitted the authority to the COMSEC. COMSEC, do you have the document? When was that? Did you?
The secretary's certificate po?
No, the authorization coming
Yes.
from the president.
Yes po, sir.
You submitted it to
yes,
the
po.
COMSEC.
During the meeting po, yes, it was required and we sent it po. So it's currently
Mayroon po?
not with me po.
Now, what's the reason why the Mr. J.V. David is not present today?
Sir, currently Mr. David is in Isabela.
Oh, why?
As he had to check po.
But he knows supposedly the scheduled hearing today.
Yes po, he is aware. So
Oh yeah,
we are
what's
here
the
po.
reason why he's not present today?
He is not in here po, in the city.
Oh, yung iba nga galing Davao pa.
Yes po, sir. But we will be relaying any requests and information that
No.
we will be requiring.
No, it's a we will not allow. Oh, dapat po dito, attorney, dito, dapat pag wala yung principal dito, of course, you have now the document presented to this committee na may authority ka, but of course, we have to get the excuse, valid excuse of your principal. Kasi po, we will not allow unless valid yung reason. Kaya, Mr. Chairman, pag tinanong ko ito mamaya, hindi niya rin ito masagot. Kasi my question will be addressed to the President of G4. Alam mo ba, ma'am, yung transaction between NFA and G4?
At the moment, no po.
Oh, di wala. Kaya, Mr. Chairman, we should
This.
No. I move to issue show cause order for the president of G4 because he never give us his valid excuse in today's hearing. Gentlemen, I move to issue show cause order.
Yes, there is a motion
Second.
by the Honorable Karaps Paduano to issue
Chairman,
a show cause order to Mr. David.
yeah. Mr. Chairman, kasi this will be a bad precedent. No, well, in fact, of course, pwede naman may authority ka, attorney, but the reason why your client is absent today is not valid. Tama po ba?
Understood po, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, anyway, I
And,
will...
Mr. Chairman, kanina narinig ko kasi hindi lang itong may SPA. Sino pa ba may SPA dito? Sino pa pa? Attorney, ikaw, you have an SPA?
No po, representative po ako ni Davao Solar Best and Landscape.
You have the
SPA.
authority?
Yes po.
You have submitted to the committee?
Yes po.
Saan ngayon yung kang principal mo?
Clarify ko lang po yung kanina yung kay Mr. Stewart Santiago, sir.
So you're representing Stewart Santiago?
Yes po, sir.
Why is not
Great.
present today?
Nasa Davao po siya, sir.
Oh,
May
But-
urgent matter lang po, inasikaso.
kanina
Kasi
pa...
Saturday lang po na
Ha?
biglaan po yung pag-invite ninyo.
Comsec, is it true that only last Saturday, the invitation was sent to
Yes po.
to Mr. Stewart?
Yes, Comsec, can we get a confirmation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, because we had to get the addresses from the Bureau of Customs and the Department of Agriculture first.
Pero kung Saturday, today Tuesday. Pasok yun po sa 3-day rule namin.
Tapos sir, clarify ko lang po kanina, sabi ninyo hindi registered sa...
Hindi, sandali po. Huwag muna tayo pumunta doon. Please,
Apo.
address the chairman and please wait to be recognized, attorney, by the chairman before he speak. Okay?
Yes po.
Okay, now, ang question kasi, pasok sa 3-day rule. Now, that will not be an excuse. Because dito po, under the rules of the House, tama po, 3-day rule kami dito. But if the communication or invitation was delivered Saturday, pasok po because today is Tuesday. That will be not a valid reason for Mr. Stewart to be excused. Now again, Mr. Chairman, you have an authority.
Yes po.
Oh, anong law
I'm not an attorney po, sir. I'm just
You're not an
representing
attorney?
the company po. I'm just representing the company.
So what is your position in the company?
Importer staff po.
Importer?
Yes po.
Staff?
Yes po.
What specific position the company?
Importer then IT po ako.
Importer, at the same
yes,
time
sir.
IT.
Yes.
So, Mr. Chairman, once again, I move to issue a show cause order for Mr. Stewart.
Yes, with
Second
the indulgence
motion.
of Honorable Paduano, earlier, there was a motion being duly seconded to issue a show cause order
G4.
for Mr. David.
Yeah, this
So,
time for
I will
Mr.
just
Stewart.
make a ruling on it. Hindi ko pa narurule
Ay,
kasi
sorry,
yung ano.
sorry,
Oo.
Chairman.
So, any objections there being none, motion is approved. The committee secretary is hereby directed to issue a show cause order to Mr. David. The second motion, the Honorable Karaps Paduano is once again recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I move to issue a show cause order for Mr. Stewart. So move, Mr.
Any
Chairman.
objections? There being none, motion is approved. COMSEC is hereby directed to issue the show cause order to Mr. Stewart. Now. Thank you. Anyway, we will move along. JJ, okay na?
I'm okay, Mr. Chairman. I just wanted to go with the list of the interpellators and wait for my turn.
Okay. So next to interpolate is the Honorable Lani Mercado Revilla, to be followed by the Honorable Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez, to be followed by the Honorable Romeo Acop, the Honorable Karaps Paduano, and the Honorable Mark Powanco. Then we go to the second round.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Magandang hapon po sa ating mga resource persons. Nabanggit ho kanina ni Mr. Kainglit ng SINAG that it would be right that we revisit Executive Order 62. Naniniwala po kasi ang inyong lingkod na ang EO 62 has allowed traders to import unlimited volumes of rice, enabling unscrupulous businessmen to underdeclare their imports and smuggle the rest of the products. Dapat po talaga ma-revisit po ito. At ang nakakalungkot pa rin dito ay meron ho tayong mga unregistered warehouses na hindi ko alam kung nagagawa po ng Bureau of Plant Registry ang pag-iimbestiga at pag-ikot. Kung meron man, I understand you have 626 registered warehouses as of this date. Tama po ba ako, Bureau of Plant Industry? Tama po. Have you had any investigations with regards to unregistered warehouses? Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, please, Director Glenn.
Thank you po. Actually, ma'am, yun pong registered natin pong yun. Tumaas na po yung registration natin. Kasi po before talaga, hindi po siya nare-register. So, yun po yung direction natin. And any non-compliances po with regards to, yun nga, sanitary and phytosanitary issues or food safety, ay amin naman pong iniimbestigahan.
nabanggit ho kanina yung pag-i-issue nyo po ng mga permits para po sa ating mga importers. At karaniwan, nag-i-issue kayo ng maraming mga permits at marami ho doon ay hindi nagagamit. Ano hong ginagawa nyo po sa mga kumpanya o importers na na-issuehan nyo ng maraming mga permits na hindi nagamit? Do you get them back? Binabawasan nyo ho ba ang mga permits na ito that you have issued to the importers para hindi po nila ito magamit sa maling pamamaraan? Mr. Chair?
Yes, please, Director Glenn.
Apo. Yung pong mga SPSICs natin na hindi na utilize ma'am, when they reach their expiration period, automatically canceled na po yun. So, canceled na po. Hindi na po nila yun magagamit. Regarding naman po doon yun nga po sa utilization, actually ma'am, ngayon po medyo tumaas-taas na po yung utilization natin from 2020 of 50%, bumaba 2021, 43. Ngayon po nasa 63% na po tayo. So medyo po yung po